These are two of the elevators at parking structure number 1 at Wayne State University. There's also one in there, but it's getting modernized. These ones were also modernized. This one's still undergoing its renovation. There's 6. Quite small for a parking elevator. These are 2 more elevators at parking garage number 1. These ones haven't been touched yet. Still some 2000s innovation. Go to 6. Elevator technology. The frick was that buzz? That scared me. Must be the first floor thing. This is one of the elevators at parking structure number 2 at Wayne State University. Oh, those are PTL lanterns. Buttons are innovation security. Go to 6. That was quite the start. It was made by Elevator Technology. Or at least modded. A little bumpy. Okay, that was actually a weird sequence of chimes. This is the other elevator at structure number 2. This one still has innovation lanterns, but they don't work. Go 6. Ow. Why did they cut? These are the elevators, number 1 and 2, at parking structure number 5 at Wayne State. These ones also got affected by the modernization project, and this one is still undergoing it. Four. Structure number 6 has 3 elevators, 1 by itself and 2 in a bank. The one that's by itself is currently undergoing modernization. All of the elevators in this garage were originally MEI elevators. Let's go ride the other bank, which has just finished its modernization. These are the elevators, 2 of them at the parking garage number 6 at Wayne State University. Unfortunately, they just got modded. Originally, these were MEI elevators, but look at these indicators. Those of you who know the Marriott Marquis New York may remember this. This is a brand new modernization. Go up to 6.
Sixth floor. Going down.
See how this modernization brought Innovation Bruiser to Innovation Bruiser. I wonder if it was TKE that modernized these.
First floor.
This is car number 3 elevator at parking garage number 8 at Wayne State University. good for self-cleaning buttons. Slightly different button layout. This is a Schindler 400A. This is elevator number 2 at parking garage number 8 at Wayne State. The outside one was rather scratchy. 4. This is also a 400A. There's us in the reflection. This last bit here was a bit scary. Car number 1 is also a Schindler 400A in its original state, but when I tried to hit the buttons, it just wouldn't move. The door open button wouldn't work either. Luckily I wasn't trapped. I was able to force the doors open by pushing them open.